everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 4th to the 8th of May 2026. On Monday, Mampo confronted Usoga over hidden debt and broken trust, while Chris launches a public attack on Tato and Neo, and Molefe leads a community effort to raise support for Grace and Tozama on Tuesday. Mampo leaves Soga and moves back to the Mulapo house, unable to forgive what he has done. Maria and Isaac struggle over whether to encourage her to stay in the marriage or leave on Wednesday. Mampo chooses to stay and face her troubled marriage. The collective launch succeeds despite a drama, and Mulefe and Tozama are shaken by Grace's advanced Alzheimer's disease diagnosis on Thursday. Soga faces prison after his plea deal fails. The Fortune 10's teams build on launch success, and Mulefe rushes to protect Grace when her condition put her in danger on Friday. Soga is deflated after his boss' refusal to help, but Mampo support him. They decide to tell the family before the court date. Soga summons Musa and Mampo calls Maria, who fears the marriage is over. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.